April 9th, 2026, first ride of the season.
Always do this service work when you buy a bike that's used.
You know, the touring frame, right? As opposed to the soft tail. So yeah, really enjoyed it. But of course, there's upgrades coming.
So actually I can show you, I've got the cap off right here. Little low, and as you can see, that fluid's a little dark. Holy, that was harder than it needed to be.
It's April 9th, 2026, first ride of the season. Lots of snow. They're insane. And it's only 5 degrees. So the excitement will definitely turn to frozen and soon.
Okay, so we had our first inaugural ride of the season. It was awesome. A little chilly on the way home. We didn't film the ride because we both wanted to get used to our new bike. So I was on the Road Glide, Kevin was on his Road King, and it was a great afternoon of riding. I absolutely love the LA Chopper handlebars. I had never ridden with a bike with that, T-bar style feel, and loved it. Kevin, how was your ride for you?
Hey man, any day on a motorcycle is a good day. No, it was awesome. I love the bike. Different experience with the touring frame, right? As opposed to the soft tail. So yeah, really enjoyed it. But of course, there's upgrades coming. Stay tuned to your local station.
Okay, so what we're doing today is I had done a complete service on the Road Glide, changed the oil, transmission, primary. Always do this service work when you buy a bike that's used. Just, I trust the guy that I bought it from, but we wanted to make sure that all of that was done to our specs. And what I did is I also checked the hydraulic fluid and the brake fluid for the bike, and it looked like it was pretty dark, kind of old. So actually I can show you, I've got the cap off right here. Little low, and as you can see, that fluid's a little dark. So that's what we're doing today. Pretty simple process. You just come around to this side of the bike, take off that transmission cover, and there's your bleed screw right there. So we will push the fluid up and remove it from the reservoir on the clutch side. When we do the brakes, it's the opposite. We actually push the fluid throughout the bottom of the caliper using the bleed screw there. That's the work we're doing today. And I made a couple purchases for the Road Glide, purchased a tour pack and got the detachable bracket for the rear here. So when I'm riding two up with Mrs. Wrenchin Ride Customs, then she'll have a nice comfy backrest and we'll have somewhere to put our stuff. When I'm riding solo, this is the setup I'm doing, and I'm just testing out my new camera equipment. So you can see the X5 360 degree camera on the Invisa stick, and that's hard mounted there. So that's going to work pretty good. So that's what we're up to. And yeah, we're going to get to doing some of this service work. As Kevin mentioned, got a bunch of new content coming. Right now, our Canadian winter is still holding on. We got actually snow today. It is like April, 15th today. And we were riding on Saturday. We got snow today, but next week is supposed to be, for our American friends, like 80 degrees. Roads will be clear and we'll be riding next week. So hopefully we'll got some new content for you. And I'll do a more complete review of those LA Chopper handlebars. So give you my thoughts on them. Holy, that was harder than it needed to be. So it was a little bit of a challenge, but we did get it. And what Kevin's doing right now is he's using a plunger and he's pushing DOT4 brake fluid through, and then it's filling the reservoir. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this $10 turkey baster we got from Walmart, and I'm going to suck out all the old dark stuff. So that's what we're doing now. Now, nice and clear. Yeah, it's to the top of the sight glass.
Well, it's supposed to be to the top of that little flat section on the right here.
Oh, okay. A little bit more. Okay. Yeah, so that bench right there, that's what we're looking to get fluid to the top of. Okay, hang on a second, because we're at the point now where we're going to spill over the backside. All that fluid has been pushed out. We've sucked it out, all the bad stuff, got brand new brake fluid in there. So now I'm just going to reinstall the cap. That part of the job is done. And then I just pull on the clutch here. Feels completely normal. And I made sure that I was very, very focused on cleaning every little bit of brake fluid that has spilt out when I put the cover on with the seal. A little bit squeezed out. And in fact, right now, I can see a little bit more. You just want to make sure you take the time to clean that because that will eat your paint. We're going to move on to the brakes next. Same process, but instead we're just using the nipples on the calipers, starting with the farthest caliper away from the reservoir, pushing the fluid through by releasing, squeezing, pushing that fluid through, and then topping up until we get all the old fluid out and making sure no air bubbles, making sure that the brakes are really responsive and they're not spongy at all. So same process. We are having issues with these. What are these fittings called? They're, bleeder nipples. We're having trouble with them. It's like they're not quite the right size. They're just a little undersized. So we try 6 mil. We try a quarter was too big. Yeah, 3/8. So anyway, we're struggling, but we're figuring it out. Just wanted to show you the brake fluid. So a little low, not anywhere near as dark as the hydraulic side, but definitely still needs to be changed. From what I've, heard other mechanics talk about, you want to be changing your DOT4 brake fluid in both the hydraulic and clutch side and the brake side a minimum of every 2 years, depending on mileage, but anything more than 2 years, it should be changed. So I'm not sure when the first owner of this bike last serviced this. I would guess on the clutch side, it's been a very long time since that fluid was black. On the brake side, probably been done, but probably was at least a couple years ago. Okay, that service work is done.
Mission accomplished.
As you can see, this is why we're not riding.
Yeah. Isn't that depressing?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
But Road Glide is ready to go. Brakes and clutch serviced, oil change, transmission primary done. Cameras are mounted. We are ready to go.
Oh, yeah. Let it begin.